Hi, my name is Vitor Takasu and I'm a recycling coordinator with Athens Services. Thank you for joining the Athens Academy and the Recicla event series. Athens is the largest recycling and waste collection and processing company in the city of Los Angeles and Los Angeles County. We are proud to service over 30 cities in Southern California, including the city of Los Angeles Recicla areas of West LA, North Central, and Harbor. Today, we're going to go over some zero waste tips to help you reduce waste when moving out and into your new place. We will show you how to handle some of the most common materials we see getting thrown away, how to reduce packaging, and other helpful recycling tips. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. When moving and letting stuff go, the first and best option is to donate or sell unwanted but still usable items. Because donating or selling your items may take up some time, my first tip for you today is to plan in advance. A couple of weeks before your move-out date, separate the items you don't want to keep into two different categories. First, the items that are in good or usable condition, and second, the items that are in bad or unusable condition. Once you're done separating your things, decide if you want to donate, give away, or sell the items that are in good conditions. When posting online, you have several options. Facebook Marketplace and Facebook groups like Buy Nothing, Give and Take, and Buy, Sell, Swap are great places to start. Apps like OfferUp and LetGo and websites like Craigslist and Nextdoor also offer convenient ways to donate or sell your item. Also, look up nonprofit organizations in your area that take donations and have programs that support community, like missions, women's centers, shelters, and thrift stores. Just note that not all the things you donate may be repurposed. Larger, well-known thrift stores may have a large influx of donations, leading to more things being thrown away. It is also important to understand that for each kind of item, there will be a different appropriate way of donating or disposing of that item. And this is exactly what we'll be going over next. Let's have a look at the most common categories of things we see thrown away during move-out season and options to give them a second life. First off, clothing. If clothing is in usable condition, consider the donation options we just discussed. Another option is to search online for a local textile recycler. They may take all types of clothing, wearable or not. Another option is to look for a metal clothing donation box like the one seen here. If there's no other choice and you need to toss your non-donatable clothing piece, please place it in your landfill-bound black bin, never in the recycling bin. The second category we will be going over is furniture. Furniture can also be donated or sold using the options we mentioned earlier. There are also donation centers that pick up or allow you to drop off furniture that is in good shape. Make sure you research the ones in your area. Also, never abandon furniture on the street hoping that somebody will pick it up. Even if you leave a perfectly good item on the street, chances are it will end up in the landfill. If you're unable to donate or sell your furniture, you can schedule a bulky item pickup. If you're a City of LA residential or apartment customer, schedule bulky item pickup by calling 311 or visit recicla.com. For businesses serviced by Athens or all other Athens residential customers, visit athensservices.com or give us a call. Just know that if an item is picked up through the bulky item service, it will be landfilled. The next category we will be going over is electronic waste, also known as e-waste. E-waste includes devices that utilize electrical wiring, plug into an electrical outlet, or require a battery to function. Examples include TV, cell phones, and other appliances. In addition to donating or selling these items, you should also consider repairing them. Sites like repaircafe.org and iFixit.com provide instructions and manuals on how to fix common electronics. In case you have to dispose of your electronic waste, safely dispose of them by taking them to the nearest safe collection center. Safe collection centers offer a super convenient way to properly dispose not only of your e-waste, but also of your household hazardous waste, which we'll be going over next. Household hazardous waste includes anything that is labeled as toxic, poisonous, corrosive, flammable, combustible, or irritant. Some examples include paints, solvents, chemicals, and batteries. State law prohibits the disposal of hazardous waste down the sink, flushed down the toilet, or down storm drains. Additionally, it is illegal to dispose of hazardous waste or e-waste in any of your containers. If you're a resident of LA County, you can also safely dispose of your household hazardous waste by taking them to a safe center. Businesses with e-waste or hazardous waste can contact Athens for collection options. Make sure you plan in advance. Most safe collection centers are only open on weekends. Look up cleanla.com for more information. Now, we will be going over some quick tips to help you reduce packaging and packaging waste during your move out. Tip number 1. Before buying boxes, consider what you already have. Use suitcases, duffel bags, laundry baskets, and other items to pack. To avoid the excessive use of bubble wrap, you can also use items like washcloths, towels, blankets, and pillows to wrap your things. Remember, those old clothes can also be used. Tip number 2. Find secondhand boxes. Ask for boxes on social media like your local Buy Nothing Facebook group. You can also ask for boxes in grocery shops, department stores, or boxing companies. Another option is to search for websites that sell used cardboard boxes by looking up secondhand cardboard boxes. Tip number 3. Be mindful of tape and quarter-fold boxes if possible. The excess tape could make the boxes unrecyclable, so make sure you use your tape efficiently. There are several tutorials online that teach how to seal your boxes without using an excessive amount of tape. Tip number 4. Repurpose the boxes you have used for moving. Post the boxes for giveaway on your local Buy Nothing Facebook group or other social media. If you do not think your boxes are in conditions to be reused, prepare them for recycling by breaking them down and placing them in your recycling container. And one last pro tip: as you move into your new home, start thinking of the best place to put your recycling bin. Check out our other videos for more on setting up your recycling at home. Thank you for tuning in to Sustainable Tips for Moving Out. We hope this has inspired you to plan your next move with less waste. Stay up to date on all things Athens by following Athens Services on all social media platforms. As always, if you have any questions or want to suggest future topics, please make a comment or send us a message. For more on the Recycla program, visit recycla.com or call 311 for any service needs. Visit la.athensservices.com for resources and outreach material. If you're serviced by Athens but in another city, go to athensservices.com and click on the tabs Residential or Business and select Choose My City for more info or to reach out to us. Thank you, and see you next time.